Building a strong community and culture is a top priority because we know that our people are the foundation of our success.
We have a history of talking about this place being like family. Working here, it's an environment of great spirit and great opportunity.
It's a real car wash company, and most of the people in the company have huge knowledge about how to clean a car. People are passionate about what they do. We are so committed to success. That's what I love in Mark VII.
What sets Mark VII apart is our ability to deliver a complete, future-ready car wash solution that combines German engineering precision with North American market expertise. We lead with innovation, from touchless and soft touch systems to advanced water recycling and digital monitoring tools. Our technology is designed to maximize uptime. Our customers know they can count on us for reliability, responsiveness, and results.
Their factory is in the US. They make that stuff in Denver. It's easy to get. They're in the middle of the country. I've found there has been no supply chain issues, which I appreciate.
Today, running a factory means working with your teams to solve new problems every day. And those teams today include the supply chain, vendors from all over the Denver market, all over the US, and really all over the world.
What truly differentiates us is our service model. We offer a full service approach, from site planning and installations to training, maintenance, and remote diagnostics.
At Mark VII, we make car washes, we service car washes, and we monitor car washes. We're here for you on your behalf. We're looking at your car wash all the time. We're looking at the history. We're looking at the errors that are going through your machine. We have a better understanding of your car wash than anybody else is our goal.
It's our name on the piece of equipment, so there's a bit of pride that goes along with anywhere from the factory in Denver all the way up to the service technicians and sales teams here.
Our technicians are local, responsive, and deeply knowledgeable, which translates into faster support and higher customer satisfaction.
You don't want to buy a machine and be stuck on an island and not have service. Without service, you don't have a machine. So service is first and foremost the best part of the Mark VII that I use.
Mark VII does truly want to do everything right. They're proud to have us as customers. We're proud to be part of Mark VII. They do business like I want to do business.
My vision for Mark VII is to lead the transformation of the car wash industry into a smarter, more sustainable, and more customer-centric ecosystem.